Walk one again, my unstoppable family. So people is like we can't get no break. But what? From the work for go on, the work for go on. See it? So here we go on now. Macka Diamond, you know, yeah, one of the bad female artists them in a dancehall. See it? Macka Diamond come out last night on IG and she talk fear version of things. Macka Diamond reveal a whole lot of things and expose a lot of the things them where go on in quiet in the dancehall amongst the female entertainer them. Well, we know say a long time the female artists them a fight against them one another, right? Yeah, long time. Well, the man them a fight against them one another too. But yo, anyway, I'm gonna tell you now one little secret. See it? Couple months ago, this was sometime last year, a very prominent entertainer in the dancehall circle link me and say, Unstoppable, me have an exclusive for you, you know. See it? Me hear say, and me hear from strong sources, say the former dancehall queen, Utoran Christian, Obia Macka Diamond. And me I say, and the person say, yeah man, link Macka and get the exclusive. And I say, alright then, cause for my you say so then. So anyway, me link Macka, me all Macka reason. And Macka say, boy, Unstoppable, you hear me? Me hear it too, but me not really want to get in that, yeah, Unstoppable. Me I gonna leave that alone. You see it? So Macka Diamond, big up yourself. Macka say she never in the whole mix-up thing, but she hear about it. And people, if Macka say Unstoppable, leave it, that's why me just leave it alone and never run with it when time the person they link me. See it? Me link by the person and me tell the person, say Macka say she not really want to touch it, so me not touch the person. Say, boy, Unstoppable, Macka need faith. Put it out there and make the person know, say, she know. I say, alright then, whenever Macka ready, Macka ready. But people, Macka forward last night and talk up a whole lot of things. Guess what? Wanna take a listen to this right now, yeah, man.
Just like come ever talk up things about the Obi, then say me get Obi and all these things. But me still alive, I'm still striving, I'm not care.
But listen, Macka, the Obi can't do nothing. You hear me? You're not guidance. You hear me?
All the time.
Yeah. If more the garbage I'm talking about this Obi. We don't say them try to fight you out, but you, Macka, you're one of them artists from your boss, you're relevant till today.
Oh.
You hear me?
I don't know what I edit. Them gonna send them fake pages and look at eat that people and them same ones, some of them always say I talk behind them fake pages and them have them on them phone. I act like she go crazy. She act worse than the you know the advisor man, what you call it? She act worse, she go harder than the advisor man.
Oh, the Obi man. I call him name, I don't like mess up again.
I'm looking respect me, I call him.
No, I like mess up again, so I call him.
No, he came over here and he apologized for all the wrongs that he was told to do to me. So, you know, respect him. Yeah. Me kind of respect that. So, one pineapple, big up yourself. He's an advisor, the advisor. You know, and everybody, people, me can't talk off of my life story. Me can't talk off of my life musical story because.
So, Macka, so me a listening to your brother and he really touching. Me know say so much something you go through with them people, brother.
I just a little tip of the ice in a gone deep.
Me say me I listen your story and me I say yo this is me feel it for Macka. You understand because you're my friend and me know say so much you go through. I swear. You understand? Me know say so them treat you bad. You understand? Me know say so them treat you bad.
Them treat me bad because me not go around and do what me not do. To try and make it. I'm a talent, I'm a raw talent. I came with raw talent. With raw talent. You understand? I don't come with nothing else. I don't come with fake this. I don't come with sex. I came naturally. You know? I came naturally. And a good for a man like no fear them people that are good for him, man. Because nothing know that and nothing knows I me post put him by my big dance and we skip a put more. I me boss nothing. And nothing switch. Nothing switch.
No, you see, no fear, my friend, man. But me don't know. Me think them kind of, and a switching really, and a switch, love is switching, me think, you see, him like how you say, you rate ladies and them care misinformation and gear, and the misinformation, she end up, she don't come to you straight up, and that she shouldn't end up. And that's why I tell us a friend, you know, brother. Because you see, any people, you see, any people can go in at some people head and tell them certain things. Instead of them come to you and reason out here and say, yo, listen, such and such, you know, me and your friend, and
whatsoever. Me, I tell myself that nothing, and Mr. Lang, them set me up because them never give me no good money. And when me hear the man, I say, I have 500,000 money I run over there, so. And me, how much money I run, me not get none. Me, them still I get help. Man, donkey I pay for. But still I hear some man not get paid for donkey. Me have friend who live at Dumbo Holland, but tell me, say the man run that ball every day, say donkey still over. So, me not understand what I go on. A peer sitting me go at me here, beer sitting in my ear, and you go try and you tell the man lies. Suppose the man was a gunman. You wrong, go tell the man say, nothing on the whole of my plan with Macka Diamond, because Macka Diamond is that country the night before this year. And you know says a clash and a war come up with somebody that warm up from the night before on a GT Taylor show. I warm up. You understand? And it was a show, it is supposed to be a performance. You understand? So at the end of the day is what really go on? That's when we reach a sting gate, a problem for going. Nobody no want to let me in with my bus or my crew. And all these things, peer problem go on.
Yeah. But I don't know. You are a strong woman still in Macka. That's why me rate it different. You understand? You're a strong woman.
I mean, I want ear in shop one day. I do my ear after they mix me and call my name to Lady Sir and tell Lady Sir what me chatter me this and me that. Nobody has ever heard me say nothing bad about Lady Sir. Because I love Lady Sir from my heart. I mean, in my ear shop, I do my ear and Lady Sir call me about me a chatter. And if I lose her number, when me look at she and the girl a par and a fight against me, I say, oh, what this man? You know, say your enemy that you're a par the one enemy bring her in your house. Me want her. Me want Lady Sir, you know? And she cussed me off and done me. And I remember, I said the lady said to me, as a matter of fact, I don't want a friend from her because everybody asked me if me and her, they are me a lesbian like she. And the lady said, what? That them I say? And from that, me not hear back from her. Yeah? So, it's a whole heap of things. Whole heap of things and a whole heap of mix up and ungratefulness and people just deceiving and wicked. You understand? Me grateful to Lady Sarah because she was there for me and Queen Paula when nothing I going for and we par with her in her little red van. I was there when Lady Sarah even had up her first little baby girl, that girl that's on a big girl now. You know, the lady was there with us at Portmore Mall and the woman cried to her and she's sick and the doctor said she got dead and she wants somebody to take the little girl. And Lady Sarah took the little girl right there and then. You understand? Enough things we know everything. We know everything. We must come from history. So why not push out somebody with talent? Yeah, because you don't know for trace people. You don't know for cussing and telling them have a little bad-minded art for you. That's why I feel like me not relevant in the music. That's why I got you there. Because I don't know for cuss people and tell them dirty things. Me not relevant in the dancehall.
Macka, you are one of the baddest female ever come out of Jamaica with boss as a female. You understand? So listen, me not mix up another female artist and whatsoever, but me I say you relevant, me say you come like cartel, relevant straight through. You're one of them female, you're one of the best in our business. You understand? So anyhow you reach man top right now, me know you say you don't wanna dancehall. Queen, you know wanna
keep dancing. And
listen, if you get it, man, you deserve.
Look here, whoever promoter call me, tell them want to keep show and dance and crown me, brother. Trust me. Then call me, tell them want to crown me. I'm going to tell them, say, I don't want it. That's too hot. Too much people fight over that crown. I don't want it. Because a new dancehall queen is already here.
Listen, Macka, you know why you have to take it? You know why you have to take the crown? And why you hear me? The reason why you must take the crown, Macka, because it was given to you. If them want to give it to you, you take it.
But I mean, put the crown.
As long as you are fighting the crown or claim the crown yourself.
Because
as long as you get to take it. Yeah?
Come on, bleach out and brown. So somebody have been on about Lady Macka. From Lady Macka days welcome. You know much artists me watch go and come to here? Me there from Lady Patra, Sister Charmaine, Lady Ann, Nancy, everybody. I'm still there.
And you're still there.
Lady G.
The relevance straight through. So I may say no Macka, as we me say no Macka. You see, if you are get the crown, take it. Don't say you don't want it because you are get your people are gear crown. But you see, if you are trying to get the crown and crown yourself, it's not relevant. Self-praise is no recommendation. But if you are get the crown, take it. Don't say you don't want it. Because people them see potential in you and know your credibility. I know say you're one of the best in our business. So if you get it, take it. If you get the queen of dancehall, take it. You understand? Because you deserve it. A whole heap of fight you get from them time until now. You understand?
Me love. I'm show a lot of love to people who show me love. So me not come here to beat down nobody area because me tell you something because me start to feel some kind of way. Come here and say this not sound good. This not sound right enough. But at the end of the day, sometimes some people have deserve what them get because at the end of the day you can't get up and use your mouth and hold on people.
Yeah.
You understand? Because them say mouth. I'm pinky pink, so I go and big up yourself. And it's like guys say, you know, we go up and show. And you know, I remember saying we do one show. I remember we went to what that place name? One of them small island, the Nevis. I think at Nevis we go. It was an all-female show and the whole way up on the show. And me in the hotel asleep and but the guy when me got away, me don't know him getting some teeth in one with laptop and some mix up and you know so the whole of them get up and go, I got the show left me. Got the show left me and I say, oh, nobody no come with me for God the show. You see, by the time I wake up and put on my clothes because my road manager getting some mix up and thing with some foolishness. And you see, by the time I dress up and end up reaching on the show, everybody who said them I run the place. People say them I run the place and I'm the baddest thing. I'll run on the stage I work before me, you know? That will show you say, me not understand it sometimes. When the son I run the place and when still I work before me and I run on, you know? And we just make everybody work and me run on and tear down a piece of show, you know? We go through the same thing all over, you know?
Yeah.
One time me and them dep on the show, you know? They don't want to stay in a hotel with me, but this and that, like, me don't know what to do nobody. I don't know them can't tell me where Macka do them. Talk where Macka do them. One time I hear some people but here right now, big old artists in the business, talk it. Say, the woman call and I say, Macka Diamond and OBR. Me say, how would the blood cleat this? How me jumping at that? Eh? So if me did that over people, one can me the one no hold long for much years and not now go on for I'm still a fight, I'm still a eat, I'm still a pay my bills. And look at things is a woman they have sense when Greensleeve record this time I buy my house, I buy my vehicle, I have every little thing so nobody can put me out of my house, I live somewhere. I not paying a mortgage. My friend pays that people still pay a mortgage. The way I want to go on like no rich on this and that. I should still pay. Me not pay a mortgage. I buy my house cash. I mean, I have to come show up on people and say, and people that say, oh, me wear cheap brand. I'm not busy what me want to wear. Nobody can trick me. No, not trick me. I have my house. I have my vehicle. So it's when time my light cut off and my water cut off and I don't have nothing more, nobody can put me out.
So, we could, Obia brother there, Macka.
No,
Here say,
advisor, please, correct.
Advisor brother there. TR, me don't know him. I just, you know, see him on a couple live or something. Me don't know him. Me don't know what him can do. Advisor or whatever them want to call it.
You want to read it for me? You want to read it?
No. No,
Okay.
me don't want nothing for them. Hear me, I say them. So, ladies wear their jacket and gay, my girl. So, I wonder what them do to you, though. Ask him tell what they do to you. What they give you.
Him say, if she talk, him sound like, when basically I say, if she talk one more time, he might let out them one day. And maybe it's not go nice because maybe you got hear say, me really, my life set away, you know? But me I go and listen out, me still a listen. But still I listen because I'm in a fear. And him know too. If he was a good reader man as what him say, him know when I'm head say, Macka have some of
Then,
them vision there where
alright,
he
let's see me, Macka. If them do your thing, him not tell you man and him cut and clear you where you want to do
you know
so you
that
go.
me want him do for
Eh?
true. You know that me feel like me want him to do. Me want him cut and clear me straight.
Tell him pull your spell when they put up by you.
I want them to pull it myself already, because from what day me I go on bad and I go on good enough. I want them to pull it myself.
Listen, you're God bless, man. You're God bless. They can't hold it done. You understand?
It look like me pull it
Yeah,
in
listen,
the
man. Them say a good people get the most fight in their life, no, brother. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You get qualified them.
You know, easy chicken. If me if it talks about the things that documentary me say I want to put it on, because the other day me I say it, you know, so me go through some things with these people in the music where me I feel wonder if it really real. If it really real. You know, like, what is this? Why people have to get up and don't love each other? Why the female have to live like this? You know? You know, me never planned to know nothing, and I said, like, me never know nothing. I was going to sing same way fretting. Because me, I said the same thing about them. I said, but me feel said it was a mischievous thing. You go tell the man, say, Macka, I plan for you because you want the man to hurt Macka. How does that happen? Them the things that go on. You go out me wig in front of man, you come on me yard, and if me not dress before you, you not put on no clothes because you want to see what me have on, and you know, you make mischief, me you got stage show, me and the girl got stage show at Black River, and the girl set up her friend and for boo me at the front of the stage. Boo me. Turn up and boo me. And make one piece of wall over hotel room.
Remember people, and that's why I'm singing a song about friend. You understand? Hear me, I say, man. This I lady, we not now go on for, and Macka go pick her up, right? Macka go pick her up, and Macka go pick her up, and she do all of them things that to Macka. You understand? And she do all of them things that to
Let me tell
Macka.
you some people, the way my heart clean and nice, I'm telling you, the first fight and war when me and a girl got you, I end the friendship. You know, say we had a stage show in a Black River, the same stage show at Black River. So me get yes, me get the hotel room them. And me and the dancer them, me and Dela them and Latisha them will dance them. So me and her apart. I say I go for her house and I say come here apart with me. So me end up make GT put up on the show, me and her apart. You know say them the time there, she have a little man in her yard and she have a little young boy out the road. And me know she come a road with the boy. You know people know books because I talk, but me not really care. And me know she come at the show with the guy. So when we went down there, it was like 3 room, one for the dancer, then one for she, one for me. But when I noticed one of the room them was very big and nice and more exclusive. So I said, you know, so like what she come there with the man, they will give her the better room. And I choose to give her the better room. When me come, the girl war with me over the room, them and say me take the better room. You know what I'm saying? And me give her the bigger one. And me decided to me, no, I think it was only 2 rooms, sorry. 2 rooms, one for the dancer them and one for me and her. And me decided to me, I go in the room with the dancer them and give her the big old suite when me and her are supposed to bounce it in her. Because she's staying there with her man. And the girl cussed me off. I'm beat and I try beat me up. I look at me, I fling all shoes in her face. She tell people say she beat me. And when the show coming on the night, the girl, make her friend, got the front of the stage, I boo me.
Yeah. So wicked.
Mm-hmm. And then when me go so now and down me yard about a couple of weeks, well, my father wife called me and said to me, say, you know, say me there over Sherlock at work, and somebody pinch me and tell me, say, the reason why she war with you down a country, she say, baby Sham tell her, say she can't friend me and boss, so she have to war me.
Yeah, hold on, as a call Sham name, yes, I Sham I be able father too.
Well, me don't know, but I try to tell you, say, you know, am I a virgin that too? But and all along me hear that me never yet said that to Sham. I'm always treat me good and talk to me good. So Me always say, so I saw it go. Sham tell her say, she been off been a friendship, a war me, and the uncle which can bust. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But you have to appreciate certain things, you know. So me didn't know my power unicorn, and me start power unicorn right. I've been reading him right hula hoop and him write couple songs and that. Every time you see somebody where I do good in a Macka life, you come for them and you bring in contention in it for them stop power in Macka. That is not a good person. You understand? This is not a good person. Everybody who me work with in music, you come and you come buy them out. All the selector them start to go and let them want to style me. Can you come pay them off to try this me and all these things? It is not a good look.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a crazy journey me been through, and me try to hold it and me try to just stay strong because me not care about nothing. Me just know I'm a career, I'm in a business, I'm just a go and live. Because me remember say me get the hits them, you know. God bless me and I forget the hits them, you know. Me get the hits them. So at the end of the day, and then now me ask myself say, me get up one day and me I say, oh, when me at and show I keep. Me see them on the show them and them now not add song like me. And when them say them around the place, oh, the promoter now book me. Me I said something not right about that. It not the match not add. Then one day one promoter called me from Trinidad and I said, Macka, where you are Ray? I said nothing, everything good. The man say, you know, some get a contract say them now work with you and Ray and them now do not show with you. I said, oh, I said I go. Oh, okay. Okay. You never take food out of people's mouth, man. I used to eat food too. Them are wicked.
Some people put down some people to go up on top. You know? You understand? Some people always do that.
I regularly see it happen, but it's only the salvation lasts forever.
Yeah. You see, yeah, God bless.
Me no business who want last ever in the music, but who no can't stop my glory. And me always I eat food. Me always I eat food, Trivia. Trust me, God has always blessed me. And me always have people who love me and care about me. I don't care anytime I look at my last straw, God always lift me up back.
Macka, you always are putting work, you know. You want to have this work, you know, man, that business right now. You always are putting work.
But Trivia, them a go like me not do no work, them a go like me not do nothing, them go like me just sit down and me not do nothing, them just go like me sit down and get handout. I don't know people are going like me no work hard, so me no deserve nothing. Like my mother no want food too, and my people no want food. And that is bad. Right? If them here, so me get a show of Canada with me, she and Pampute, and the man take me off of the show, so she said she not work with me. But go through it. The show we keep a Nevis and them run on before me and one bag of excitement. The promoter left is stranded at Antigua. And Pampute call some man that she know down there and the man them come buy with ticket. Till all the day the message try to talk to me, but the way I don't like her, I say I don't want to chat to me. Because when I was stranded at the airport and it's like at them the time they would try to make up back as friends. But to me feel hurt about the wickedness them where them people that do me and them now me eat no food. I know so the man them Antigua buy back the whole of with ticket and send them back to Jamaica and say, all of this money with them spend, they're gonna book us and they're gonna keep an all-female show. You know, so by the time the show for keep me not upon it, the man them said, she said she not work with me.
Some people evil and they have no regrets in them, Macka.
And up to now, me can't pay back the people them money because the people them buy ticket, because it was an urgent ticket, so the man spend nearly $1,500 per each hour ticket a day to send me back home. And them said, them all give us some more advance and just keep the show. And when you look at me alone, but nobody on the show, me alone, and the show flop like dog, me say almost 5 people go on the man, them tell me say, them would never keep an all-female show again. Me say, fuck out, no? I'm going to tell you something, I whole heap of them underestimate me, and I hope of them underrate me. And enough of them have to take back them blood clot. Mr. Charlie Blacks keep one show already, down at Chilani. Right, him one next one. Keep him show and tell me say, give me X amount of money and style me. But me not really business. Me keep him something at Chilani one night. And me end up with a double booking. And would you believe some got a show and me couldn't left? Because Charlie Blacks make me know so when him come at the show by 11 p.m. that night, a pair people come and say, Macka Diamond them come to see. Me have my fans with me. And me have to close the show. Me say, you can go link Charlie Blacks and ask him. All Rummy and Virgo, the whole of them man that come out to work before me down there, big artists, me say I work before me, and Charlie Blacks tell me, Macka, you can't work, you have to close the show, because the people them come to see you. I couldn't believe it. The man said, them load up the place from 11 o'clock, and say them come to see Macka Diamond. So they cannot underestimate the power of me. Today, somebody from Mauritius Island, one far place, where they want to talk pure Spanish and French, and I tell me, say, Macka, you're so hot, right? Them can't stop me. Me no business what nobody wants to say. Anything one wants about me, God no business. God don't care.
Macka, you want a female friend, your boss is still relevant.
And them don't want to admit it. Them don't want to admit it.
Yeah.
Them don't want to admit it. They don't want to admit it. Me go so and say me I'll put up my song and I'm a peer people for company and they come talk, but we don't want to hear that your song or sound good and let them feel like me stupid. Me not stupid. I the new bad mind that pick up some fake page and this people. I want can't stop me because I know the whole of the work, know the dirty days. I can't make me feel no way no more. Too bad now. I can't make me feel no way. No way. None of the can't make me feel no way.
Listen, you know what, Macka? Me like that attitude there come out, you know. Because you see, it's like you go through so much, it's like it cup overflow now. You can't take it no more.
Yeah.
You understand? I me like the attitude there with you now. You understand? Anybody disrespect you and so on, you put them in them place.
Exactly.
Like the attitude there.
Me that a war hard, but I got war school and I learn. I'm a practice. So who feel like say, me too old now, I'm this and that, I'm around, I'm black belt in a war. When you lucky, me soon take it with anyone want to move to me, I take with the black belt.
Yeah, I write more right after the girl, you know, brother.
I'm tell God say, Father God, I when the last breath of blood in my body, I'm going to show them, say, me not give up and none of them can't stop me. None of them can stop me because me, I enjoy the same check. Me I enjoy the same way to check them a month time and me I get my money and me sing my hit song them. I mean I care. But them wants about
listen. Tell her if you can't no more donkey come on stage, come confront you. Tell her say you prepare this time. Tell her if you can't no more donkey come on stage.
Making care of the donkey. And see, the story come to bomb. No. But donkey alone, advisor. What is someone name? Spiritual advisor is there.
Macka, she can't carry about donkey on stage again now because guess what? No, she's still off donkey.
Yes, the man a ball. I tell her I can't bring my friend Panis alive one day as my witness. My friend will come from around there. She said the man a ball every day, said them don't finish paying for the donkey. So the spiritual advisor, you have got to talk up for that because the man still said the donkey over.
Yeah. How much years that now? I can't be a donkey.
You know some love run joke, but that's true. But say the man send come say him still owe them still owe for the donkey. Them balance him a little thing, the money not finished pay off. So them to look into that. And the time now with the hotel and the wash off business, me not remember Maryland and hotel and me no remember. Maybe me never there notice nothing. Cause one of the ladies said me that ask where the bathroom there and Ray. Me always want peace. Cause I drink all the water. So me not know. It's possible Maryland and them come figure a bath and me that black away. Me no know, me no remember. Me honestly no remember.
Yeah.
Me honestly no remember, but me just know say, Chivia, the donkey still over. So me know over that bro. Me I tell her my friend me and tell me say she know the man and the man say I know the man still a ball for his money. Man I said donkey not pay for it.
The man should I sign a contract to make them use the donkey. The man should I make them sign a contract. But if not the talk them.
but funny enough, you know, it's someone when me hear is it not have to be lying. You know why? When I used to be around her, somebody always do her something. Boy, I feel like somebody over me and I make a go see go wash up. Boy, I feel like I want to go river. Somebody do me something always. Me not tell no lie.
She's a manipulator.
She
You
always say
understand?
that. Always.
Some people strive over people misery. Or for people pain, should say. You understand? When people hurt, people strive over it. Them ride by your back or put down people and they feel good to make them rise.
And people that talk about me, I follow. And me used to do the whole of the dancing song them. If somebody do the whole of the dancing song them, I do the whole of the dancing song them, yes, she sit down. She and the same lady will turn Christian now, sit down and say, oh, me a dancer boy, them a oh Shelly Belly, them a me. And when you look, I come and buy out Shelly Belly from around me and have Shelly Belly, you know, and I sing pure dancing song, you know. And I tell Miss Kitty them and them people up on the radio about oh Macka Diamond, I sing song about cow foot and a song them and them up a play it on radio and I sing beer. Go through it. Me go through it with them. But yet still at the same song them. Uno come sing and get a highlight with the dancer. My same dancer them and buy them out. Buy out the whole I dancer them. And come sing pure dancing song. Cause you wanna be like Macka, but you don't wanna admit it. So you wanna do like what Macka do. And you don't wanna admit it. You understand?
Listen, Macka, some people not got no real talent. Hear me I say, man, some of them, you know, want make them big. And because I sang make them big, you know. Some of them are because antics them go on with on stage make them big. And the lyrics. You understand?
Right, so
And the
we
lyrics.
used to answer them, but at them you their own now. Oh that look. Me not understanding. If me used to fucking answer them what you used to do. What you do now? I see the man just come bust out say I fucking dance to them too. So a man's Lord Jesus. Me can't bother no. Me sing cold foot and the worst song for hurt. Them fight down the song. Them fight down the song. Them fight down the song. Everything I be sing them fight and them fight and them fight and them team up against me. And when the two of them broke away, I me just go and say, die, 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 boy. Why take me and I should be in the corner somewhere? But I say the whole place on my shop is like them. Meanwhile, the two iniquity work on them a war. Macka Diamond just start mash up the whole world. Take me like that.
Macka, hear me say no. You see, you can't have your baby father, right? Or your baby mother. Or we are talking of a baby father situation. And you see, your dancer them I try sabotage him. You've got to say you have the little youth them, you know. You understand? And you plan up with your dancer who are work for you to come sabotage your baby father. Or you think mentally little youth them are gonna grow up and know say yo them father are rapists and whatsoever, you know say nothing of us. And you send them go try sabotage the baby father. You understand? You can't do that. You forgot to have a little youth them and something, see me. You can't something like rape. You can't put rape on them something there, Macka. You can't do that. You run out of people for I still going on Macka. It's like you run out of people. You run out of people for pick pan, and the only people you can pick pan are people around you are used to in your life or in your life. Left your pick pan.
I mean, water. Water. When they make people cry too much, all they have to do, all them have to do is share, and sharing is caring.
Yeah.
All for yourself. You want it all, you lose it all. That's all I said.
Yeah.
You want it all. If the Obi man even say, post up my song, post it up. Nothing wrong with that. Post it up on one day. And say, big him up. Me not busy when nobody wants to say this him sound good. You understand? Me would have posted him on one day if somebody do good to me. Me not care who. I saw me stay. Me not really care who. Me say one youth a foreign, me never remember when name. I want big old batty man and him pay me for do song with them. I'ma do it. Chrissy Dancehall with Chrissy I'ma do it. A business me I do, there's no business like show business. It's a business. You had a business. You know? You understand? I'm not take up for nobody, but I say that's for sure you say when enough of them and everybody that talk, you know. You know, but a good for all, enough for him. Me and nothing come from same place. Me and certain people come from same place in Waterford. And the whole of them diss me. Cause two Me no know for true, me not give them no. Hey, that one next mix up. No low me and me can go my bed. To put around. Favoritism over favoritism. Yeah. If I ever laugh at him, I piss up my jumper when me have one 9
Yeah.
Cause chew me with my ugly self, no let have no sting mattress and all these things. Everybody over sting get it. But them staying a sting. Me did afraid that everybody gonna diss me a sting because me nobody give nobody no. You never give me something every day them and all of them my so me never did that. Me things that every time I go over them, me half dead. Me half dead. People don't understand about sting. Me not give nobody over them my me half dead. Me half dead on the stage.
No,
And me want them go back and watch
listen.
the clash with me and even Muma Star. Go and watch it. Lord God Almighty, when the water sprinkle around me, I couldn't even open my mouth. I dumb as bat. Nothing go or something said. Hallelujah. You know what I do for save myself from all of them iniquity work here? I start watch Dopey show and see what them use. A Dopey show, I start watch and see what them use to get rid of Dopey.
Listen. Right now, in the black dopey.
A Dopey show, me never start watching them. To get rid of all the women that got through. And you can't, if you watch Dopey show, you're gonna know what they use. And me get that the vision there from God. Me get one from me a little girl, you know. When I was about 16-year-old, there was a lady live across the road from me. And she used to tell me whine and sing and dance and I jump up myself when I want the music and she walk over to me and she say, you know I got a vision from God for you. Him said, no care where you want to wind up yourself and you're going to learn how to read and see things. You're going to have a good vision. And I'm dangerous with that. I can dream and I can see and I can feel. So me know said the advisor tell her that. That the one there, that will run out of her business.
Listen, they can't stop it, Macka. They can't stop it, I swear. You understand? Me they run you.
Because me not give up my life. Me not give up my love life and my marriage life them. How much time me engage and me give up the whole of them there for music and left it so. No, music have to keep me. Music have to keep me and accept me. Because the whole of my life me spend the night. Me never look for a man sometime. I'll be years. So music have to keep me. And them gonna see me old and grey and rotten and they're gonna see this old pum pum is winding up all over. She wear them me not
Who say you all? How you get this from? I want you to say you all.
Lord Jesus.
I want you to say you all, Macka.
That them say. Somebody sitting them so terrible, I can't even remember them. May I tell them? A long time I keep up them sitting there, man. Long time I keep up them something there. Long time the people them not in love for each other. Long time. But you know what? I am not here to rejoice, and I am here to let you all know that no matter what you're putting me through, I ain't giving up. And even when I'm up on the hospital bed or anyone who want to put me, I am going to be still doing music. So stop wasting the time.
Brother, Macka, every week, you know, you sing at least, you have to sing 1, 2 or 3 songs. And them don't know that.
Yeah, but
You tell them, say, you
right now,
me
sound man across me. I cause sound man across me. Every day I'm in a studio do a 10, 20 dub. I don't have a problem. Me not have no problem. People feel like say, me want to go up on stage show and me want this or me want. Me not frightened about them something there. Me have so much dub play. Right now, I can get me sure that in a few more hours when the England sound man then wake up, I am going to get a cussing chip here. Because I have so much dub difficult to do tonight, I'm going to put it up and dip on the live.
Yeah.
Every night with that dub session. You know that too.
And because you see enough a producer them too. They don't release a song, so them people think say you not do song like that.
Right.
But I release them, not release them. You understand? You do song too much producer and them just not release a song. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
They put a song in the movie.
No, but not even the song. But when I said trivia, them never used to have no song when Macka Diamond and mash up the whole place with Bunny Man them song there, and still at the show with me. So why you a do contract and I tell people say you don't want to work with Macka Diamond? Why you stop my food? That's why the reaction of the take on them. People have to understand these things.
Every action there is a reaction. You hear me? Macka? I hear me say, you do evil, evil go and turn back on you. You understand? You must turn back on you one day. You understand? And you do good all your life. You hear me? And you get fight. One day, good must overcome evil. So you're good come. You understand? I say, listen man, you are one of the female in this industry. We're relevant straight through for you, boss. You understand? And a whole heap of people you help. I mean know that. You understand? So you hear me say, so anybody want to crown you as queen, I dancehall or whatsoever, Macka, no say you don't want it, take it because it was given to you.
Tomorrow I'm going to post my trophy them and show them because you come at them and know the history.
Me know history. But hear me as a man. No king of crown himself. A people have crown the king, right? I agree. And I say go? Yeah. So
me just have one thing about me where people feel so them better looking at me and then look good at me and yet see them still a fight me. So if me not look good at me already, I mean this. Well, not worry, what is the problem?
Who say you don't look good? Who say you don't look good? Eh? They go for OnlyFans.
OnlyFans turn up enough. OnlyFans
turn up.
Because right now I have the masturbate video over there. Turn up. Sold right out.
Anyway, people, done with that one. I gone. But before me leave, you know say, you hear me talk about OnlyFans. You know something, me leave that there. So comment down in the comment section and talk to me, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.